The body gives signals when something isn't right, and many men only notice when the situation is already advanced. The prostate enlarges. The urge to urinate becomes more frequent. The stream loses force, and without realizing it, the erection also begins to be affected. Blood circulation weakens and performance is no longer the same. The problem develops gradually, but it can be reversed naturally. There is a powerful fruit that helps reduce prostate swelling while strengthening erection. It improves circulation, helps eliminate toxins, and contains an essential nutrient that directly promotes blood vessel dilation, making penile blood flow more efficient. The effect comes with regular consumption without needing medication or invasive procedures. Every detail about this fruit matters. Its natural components act directly on male health, offering real benefits for those who want to regain vitality and avoid future complications. Make sure you're already subscribed to the channel to keep up with more content about male health and well-being after 50. If this video gave you valuable information, hit the like button so this message can reach more people. I want to hear your opinion in the comments. Type 1 if you like the topic, or 0 if you have suggestions for future videos. Your participation makes all the difference. It all starts with small changes that often go unnoticed. First, the urge to urinate becomes more frequent, especially at night. Then the urine stream weakens like a clogged faucet. In some cases, the flow stops and resumes. In others, the dribbling continues, making urination longer and more uncomfortable. It may seem like a simple issue, but behind these symptoms could be a problem that affects most men as they age. Prostate enlargement. When the prostate grows beyond normal, it begins to compress the urethra, making it harder for urine to pass. The effort to empty the bladder increases, and over time, this strain affects not only the urinary system, but also blood circulation in the area. This detail is crucial because the quality of an erection depends directly on blood flow. Many men only realize the seriousness of the problem when their erection no longer responds as it used to. What seemed like a slight difficulty urinating may actually be compromising sexual performance. The body gives signals, but since no one likes to think about prostate issues, these warnings are often ignored until the situation worsens. Fortunately, there are natural and effective ways to deal with it before it gets worse. If you want to strengthen your erection and keep your prostate healthy, small changes make all the difference. In my digital book, Rediscovering Intimacy, Healthy Sexuality. After 60, you'll find practical guidance on improving blood circulation, reducing prostate swelling, and naturally restoring desire. Everything is explained in a simple and straightforward way with no complications. The access link is in the first pinned comment. Take this step now and see how small actions can transform your health and performance. The body functions as an interconnected system, and the prostate plays a much bigger role than many realize. When it's healthy, you barely notice it. But as it grows beyond what's expected, it begins pressing on surrounding structures, affecting not only the bladder and urethra, but also blood flow in the pelvic region. This compression reduces blood supply to the penis, making erections weaker and shorter lasting. Blood needs to reach the penis with enough pressure and volume to fill the corpora cavernosa, which function like sponges. When blood flow is compromised, the result is an unstable erection or one that disappears too quickly. It's like trying to inflate a balloon using a clogged straw. The air goes in, but never enough to make it firm. Additionally, prostate enlargement can lead to inflammation and hormonal imbalances affecting testosterone production. With lower levels of this hormone, sexual desire decreases, and the body's response to stimulation also weakens. The problem doesn't appear overnight, it builds up over time. The encouraging part is that it can be reversed naturally by stimulating circulation and reducing prostate swelling without resorting to invasive methods. Some solutions for male health are closer than you think, and one of them might already be in your fruit bowl. There is a fruit capable of helping reduce prostate swelling and at the same time improving blood circulation, supporting firmer and longer-lasting erections. All of this without side effects and in a completely natural way. The secret lies in the composition of this fruit. It's rich in an amino acid called citrine, which has a powerful vasodilating effect. This means that when consumed, it stimulates the production of nitric oxide, a substance essential for relaxing and expanding blood vessels. As a result, blood flows more easily, improving tissue, oxygenation, and facilitating erection. Additionally, this fruit has mild diuretic properties, which help the body eliminate toxins and reduce prostate swelling. This improves urinary flow and reduces the constant discomfort of having to go to the bathroom all the time. But the benefits don't stop there. It's also rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that protects the prostate against inflammation and even more serious issues over time. The best part, this fruit is tasty, affordable, and can be consumed in various ways. With a simple adjustment to your diet, you can feel the difference in your vitality, prostate health, and sexual performance. What makes this fruit so effective in reducing prostate swelling and improving erection is not a single element, but a combination of natural substances that act on different areas of the body. One of the main compounds is citrine, an amino acid that stimulates nitric oxide production. This gas plays a vital role in blood vessel dilation, ensuring that blood flows more easily to the penis, strengthening the erection. Another important component is lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects the prostate against inflammation. Research suggests it may reduce the risk of benign prostatic hyperplasia, the natural enlargement of the prostate with age, and even help prevent more serious conditions. In addition, this antioxidant has a positive effect on cardiovascular health, which is essential for maintaining proper circulation and good sexual performance. This fruit also contains a high amount of water and electrolytes, helping to keep the body hydrated and the urinary system functioning properly. Its natural diuretic effect supports toxin elimination, reduces prostate swelling, and relieves pressure on the bladder. With improved circulation and a less inflamed prostate, the body responds better to stimulation, promoting more consistent erections and overall balanced male health. To enhance the effects of this fruit and ensure your body fully benefits from it, one of the best ways to consume it is through a natural juice. This combination not only improves nutrient absorption, but also boosts circulation and supports prostate health. The base of the recipe is 2 large slices of the fruit, preferably including the white part near the rind, as it contains a higher concentration of citrulline essential for stimulating blood vessel dilation. To complement and enhance the effects, we add the juice of 1 lemon, which increases the bioavailability of antioxidants, making them even more effective. Another powerful ingredient is ginger, which improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and helps control blood pressure. For an extra health boost, a pinch of cinnamon can be added as it helps regulate blood sugar levels, avoiding spikes that could impair circulation. If you want a slight sweet touch, a spoonful of pure honey is a great option. Just blend all the ingredients with cold water or coconut water and drink immediately without straining to preserve the fibers and nutrients. This juice can be included in your daily routine and over time supports a healthier prostate and more efficient circulation, helping to achieve firmer and longer-lasting erections. Consuming the fruit and enjoying its benefits is a great step, but it won't be enough if other habits continue to sabotage your health. The prostate and blood circulation respond directly to your lifestyle. If your diet is poor, if your body is inactive, and if stress is out of control, the positive effects of the fruit may be limited. Physical activity has a direct impact on circulation and hormonal regulation. Aerobic exercises like walking and light jogging stimulate blood flow and help prevent fat buildup in the arteries, ensuring blood reaches the penis more efficiently. Resistance training such as weightlifting boosts testosterone production, which is essential for maintaining libido and vitality. Another key factor is nutrition. Avoiding ultra-processed foods loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats reduces inflammation and improves vascular function. Natural foods like vegetables, nuts, and lean protein strengthen the cardiovascular system and keep the prostate healthy. Stress also plays a huge role. Excess cortisol, the stress hormone, lowers testosterone levels and weakens erectile response. Relaxation techniques, such as meditation and good sleep habits, help balance these hormones. Small changes in daily life make a big difference in maintaining an active sex life and a healthy prostate for years to come. As time goes by, many men begin to notice signs that prostate health and erection quality are no longer the same. As we've seen here, prostate enlargement can affect blood circulation, which directly impacts erections. The encouraging part is that these effects can be reversed naturally through simple and effective solutions, like the fruit I mentioned in the video. And of course, if you enjoyed the content, hit the like button. It helps spread this message to more men who need this information. Don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel where we share more tips on male health and well-being. Make sure you're subscribed so you won't miss anything and can maintain your vitality for many.